How you doing, everybody? This video is a special video today because I'm doing this for Mike and George at Terranscapes. Mike's currently working on a project where he needed some tips on lighting, and I actually happen to like to do lighting, and I have some lighting kits that are really easy to use and real simple, and the current project that he's working on I think they'll work perfect with. So I kind of made this video because he had asked if anyone could do a quick tutorial on showing how the lights can be used, and Model Software Train Factory has pretty much the easiest lighting sets available. Mike is looking for a fire effect because he wants to do it for one of his elven, like a Celtic elven project he's working on now. I follow him religiously because I've learned a lot of foam cutting things from him, and actually this piece that you're looking at now I carved out with tips I learned from Mike. So Mike, this is for you. These are from, I told you about the fire kit. This is the fire kit pack from Model Train Software Factory. It comes with 3 LEDs, 2 orange, 1 red, and this is the 5mm size, and that's in the pillar on the left. The pillars are actually from Wilton's Cakes. If you guys ever go to Cake and you see a cake, they normally have the little tiers that hold up the cake pieces. Well, they sell these at Joann's of all places, and Michael's, and any place that sells cakes, and the Grecian pillars, and they actually make for awesome pieces. I don't have the carving skills that most people do, so I can't carve these. So for me, I bought these. I'll prime them and paint them later, and I'll be able to use them as pillars. Now, the kits pretty much come with everything that you need. They're very simple. This is the fire kit that's on the left, and then there's a welding kit that you see on the right. Now, the welding kit also, let me just put this in, 3 super bright LEDs, coin cell holder, and connector wires. Okay, I don't have the coin cell holder. I use a 9-volt, which you can see right here. And these straps already come pre-connected. Pretty much with them, with the welding kit, it comes with an on or off switch. You can actually order. It's called the lunch break. That's the second switch you see right here. See if I can zoom that in. And if you look closely, this second switch right here, that's like a momentary switch that'll cut off from the main power supply. So you can technically leave all the other lights on in your project and then just cut off the welding lights. I found the welding lights make great for like lightning and other kinds of effects. Pretty much anything you want to use. I'm just going to show you what they look like lit, and then I'll just show you how to connect them. It's really so easy that I think everyone's going to enjoy it. Okay, I'm going to turn these lights off. Now with the lights off, you can see what it would look like against a stone wall. Now I'll turn on the main power switch. And I think this is the kind of effect you want. As you can see, it really does a great job of lighting up. I mean, Mike, I know you wanted a fire effect, and I know you wanted to look like there was torches walking past, and torches were flickering. I pretty much think this is what you want. Now, you extend the lighting effect by using cellophane. They actually give you one very small piece of cellophane in the package for the fire, but it's pretty much, as you can see, really tiny. It's one small strip. I went out and I bought a large strip, and I got it at Michael's. It cost $4.99. Actually, no, I think this is the cellophane paper. This one was $2.99, and then I have a translucent cellophane paper. They call it gossamer or iridescent. This is the iridescent packaging wrap, and that's what's used on the lightning. So you can see it actually does a really great fire effect, and it's really, I have 6 lights running off 1 9-volt battery. Now that switch that I showed you earlier, the cutoff switch for the welding kit, all you have to do is push it once, and it turns it off, and it will not interrupt the rest of your power supply. So the other stuff will still stay lit. You can make the flames higher or lower as you want by using the cellophane paper. You just stack the cellophane paper up higher. If you want it a little lower, pretty much all you gotta do is shove it down in more, in the base more, and you will still get the same lighting effect. I mean, I think this is pretty much what you were looking for. And even if you were to actually put it inside, because you said you wanted to be inside of a doorway, it still does a great effect. Let's say you want to make it lower, no problem. All this set is this is the cellophane. You see the lights, and these are the lights. Now the lights are they already have pre-existing resistors. You don't have to worry about adding resistors. In fact, I'm going to turn the light on so you can see a little better. Sorry about the little glare. But they already have the resistors, and they already come in a round. All you got to do is take them, red and blue, connect to the red and blue power button, which is automatically connected to the battery strap. You can't get simpler than this. And I know with you don't have a lot of time to waste because you have so much to do on your projects, that this should take the easiest amount for you. I mean, it shouldn't detract from the actual project you're doing. And this is a smaller pillar. And like I said, if you want to make the fire bigger, at Model Train Software Factory, they actually, this idea came from them. They have short YouTube videos. They're a great place. They order really quick. They give a lifetime guarantee on their stuff. And let's see how it looks in a smaller pillar. I mean, that's a lot of light. That's a lot of light for their projects. You know, so like I said, and against a darker background, the cave walls that you would be doing, I think that's the kind of effect you want. It has a flickering, and this is just one 5mm kit. If you were to use 2 or 3 5mm kits, I think it'd be incredible. And again, when you want to see it with the welding effect, you know, just for, I don't know, a good comparison. Oh, I just disconnected it. That's brilliant. That's quite clever. There we go. Let's reconnect it. Actually, I cut the wire. I bent it when I dropped it. But that's fine. You got the idea. You saw it already. So, let's say this does happen to you. It's just a matter of stripping off the wire, making a clean connection. And like I said, their lights are resisted. Now, they have other kits, they have other lighting sets, and their lighting kits are really simple to connect. This is the actual battery strap for the 9 volts, and it has the instructions on. And what you get in this normally comes free. If you buy 10 lights, they will give you a battery connector and the button strap. And all you have to do is simply a matter of taking it out, hooking up a battery. I had taken out a separate battery for this. I don't know where I put it right now. Connecting the battery. Then you go and find one of their other light sets. Like I said, I use multiples of their lights. This is a violet light set, and this is the 3mm. Pull them out. Like I said, all the set's very simple. 3mm LED. We can focus that. And red and black. Connect to the red and black. I'm not a genius, and this works perfect for me. I saw the resistor kits you had seen when you were looking through them, and that was beyond me. I was out of my depth. I'm very new to this, and I needed something that could be simple, and even I could do. And I found that these lights and their lighting sets, they're not expensive. They work really good, and you pretty much could take them from one project, rip them out, and put them in another project. They're connected, and do is a matter of pushing the button, and there you go. According to them, you can actually hook up about up to 40 LED lights on one 9-volt. Now this is the violet, okay? And from my other videos, I've seen dragons. You've seen me use these lights before. Now, as far as other special effects, these kits are awesome because the same kit can be used in other things This was my first. This was a practice. I wanted to make a twister, a hurricane, and I wanted to do it with lights. So as you can see, basically it's just thin plastic acrylic sheets coated with polyfill. All right, it's hollow on the inside, and there is some cellophane already. The cellophane paper. This one got dirty. Like I said, this is a practice. All you have to do is take the fire, insert inside, connect the battery, and voila. Fireclad. Let's see if we can get it to stand up. It's kind of lazy. Well, actually, that would be really cool if I can get it to work on this. Now, if I can get it, let me see if I can do this. Could I stick this in here? Probably not. I just wanted to stand up for a second. Just so you can get a good idea. There you go. So once more, there's a model train software factory. These are lighting kits. I found these are the easiest light kits to use. Mike, I hope this helps you out a lot. Kat, hi. And Mike, once more, thank you very much for all of your videos. They've helped me so much. They've helped members of my Facebook page. And I use the your tips and tricks every day. Thanks.